So in this session, I'm going to solve the last two questions, that is 11th and 12th of section B of board paper 2019. For previous questions from 7th to 10th, please watch my previous videos. So the question number 11 is having one option. I mean, you have to solve either of them, either the one which is given above or the or section. I'll be solving both of them for you. So to solve the first part of it, it says the larger of the two supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18 degree. So to find the angles. So let's say the larger angle is X, and I'm sorry, I forgot to scroll my paper up, and a smaller angle is Y degree. Okay, so we know that the sum of angles for a supplementary angle is 180 degree, right? So that means X degree plus Y degree will be 180 degree. Let's assume this is equation 1. The second part here given is the smaller by 18 degree. That means the larger angle is exceeded or the more than 18 degree of the smaller angle. So here you have the larger angle is X degree. So that means larger angle minus a smaller angle will be 18 degree. Let's say this is equation number 2. So by solving these two equations, we can find both the angles X and Y. So from equation 1, if you equate it, X will be 180 degree minus Y. Let's say it's equation 3. Put the value of equation 3 in equation 2. So you will get 180 minus Y equal to 18 degree. Okay. If I solve it, you will get 180 minus 2Y equal to 18. Okay. Then if you equate this one, it will become 2Y equal to 180 minus 18. That means Y will be 180 minus 18 will be 162 by 2, right? Then you will get, by calculating it, 81. So you got here the smaller angle equal to 81 degree. So you can find the larger angle. Larger is X here if you see. So that means from equation 1, if you put the value of the larger angle, you will get X equal to 180 minus 81. Okay, that will be 99 degree. Hence this is your answers. The larger angle is 90 degree, a smaller angle is 81 degree. Okay, the second part of this question is, the OR part is based on the age. You have to find out the age. So I'll solve this question for you too. So in this one it says Sumit is 3 times as old as his son. 5 years later he shall be 2.5 times as old as his son. How old is Sumit at present, right? So let's assume let's say Sumit's son age is X, hence Sumit age will be 3x as per question, because it says 3 times as old as his son. So his son is X, so 3 times of age will be 3x. Now the next part says 5 years later. So that means 5 years later he shall be, the Sumit shall be. So 5 years later, that means 3x plus 5. His present age plus 5 years from now will be 2.5 times as old as his son age. So 2.5 times as old as his son age. So his son is X today. So 5 years later his son age will also be X plus 5. So this one will become 3x plus 5 equal to 5 by 2, 2x plus 5. Okay, if you solve this, you will get it 6x plus 10, cross multiply from 2 to 3x plus 5 equal to 5x plus 25. If you solve it, you will get x equal to 25 minus 10. So x equal to, it will be 15. So his son age will be 15. Hence Sumit's age will be 3x of his son. So that will be 3 into 15 equal to 45 years. Okay. So this is your OR part of this question right here. Okay. You can pause the video and check the complete answer. Moving to the last question of section B, question number 12. It is from statistics. So you have to find the mode of the following frequency that is given here. So this is completely based on the formula. However, you may find it a little complex, but I mean, when I explain it, you will find it pretty easy. So the mode of any frequency that is given, right? So mode is the highest frequency, basically, if you say it. So to start the solution of this kind of questions, first you have to find the highest frequency in the given data set. In this data set, the highest frequency, let me first write it down in the form of easy way. So this is what it's given. For class 25 to 30, it's 25. For 30 to 35, it's 34. 35 to 40, it's 50. 40 to 45, it's 42. 45 to 50, it's 38. And 50 to 55, it's 14. So for solving all of this frequency will be of no use. You just have to first figure it out, the highest frequency, which is 50 here. Okay, so the highest frequency in this case, the model class will be 35 to 40. Okay, and the maximum frequency here, right, in this case, the highest frequency that I call it, let's say FM, maximum frequency will be 50. Okay, and the height of the class, that is the range, will be the highest minus the lowest of any interval you can take. So that will be, let's say, height will be 30 minus 25 equal to 5. Okay, in the frequency, the lowest frequency will be the 50. From the model class, the lowest frequency will be 35. Okay, you have the maximum frequency, the height, that is the range of the class, and the lowest frequency. Now you have to take the preceding class of the model class and succeeding class of the model class. So the preceding class will be, let's say it's F1 equal to 34, and succeeding class, that is F2, will be 42. Okay, so first, from any data set that is given which asks you to find out the mode, first you have to list down or figure it out all of these values. Now comes the main part of finding the formula to finding the mode. So that will be L plus H FM, that is maximum frequency, minus F1 divided by 2 FM minus F1 minus F2. Okay, now you just have to place these values from here. So L is 35 plus H is 5. FM you have given 50 minus F1 34 divided by 2 FM. So 2 FM will be 100. 2 into 50 minus F1 is 34 minus F2 42. Okay, if you solve it, you will get 35 plus 5. 50 minus 34 will be 16 divided by, this one will be 100 minus 34 plus 42, 76. Okay, 35 plus 5 into 70 by 100 minus 76, you will get 24. Okay, this one could be written as 8 to the 16 and 8 3 is 24. So it will be 35 plus 5 into 2 by 3. I'm just simplifying it for you, so it may make sense, because if I directly write the answer, you may not know how it was solved. So it will be 10 by 3. Okay, if you will solve it, you will get, if you divide this one, you will get 35 plus 3.33. This one will be 38.33. That will be your mode, right? So mode will be 38.33. Okay, so this is your complete solution for question number 12. You just have to remember this formula, which is very important. Okay, thank you.